Hi, and welcome to the Formidable Forms Pro Developers course. This course will cover pretty much everything you should need to know. We're going to start off with some basic stuff, and then we're going to jump into some of the more advanced stuff, and then we're going to actually show you how to develop some snippets, develop custom code, integrate with hooks and filters within this system. There is a lot of stuff you can do. Formidable Forms is very, very powerful, and this course should be good for experts all the way down to beginners. So we're going to start right at the beginning. So if you are a beginner, definitely do not skip anything. If you're more of an advanced user, definitely feel free to skip ahead. Formidable Forms itself is more than just a form builder. You can create views, you can control the system, you can basically develop a whole application using Formidable Forms. Myself, I've used it for a lot of things, including a few things like I will show you right now. The Duffer and Bruce Trail Club. If you look at their actual hike schedules, all of this is done using Formidable Forms. And the actual hike leaders themselves can come in and enter all this information. We've got functionality built into it, like going to Google Maps, so you can actually see where the hike is taking place. You can click on here and it brings up a contact form rather than actually showing a email address, because one of the things we ran into was the fact that we were having spammers basically scrape our web pages, and so to get around that, we have basically removed all the email addresses off of the system. So those are just a couple of examples. All of this functionality that's here is actually all built inside of Formidable Forms. So for instance, a good example is if you go into the hike types, we've got a form here and stuff, but you can see the different types of hikes, and you can add a hike or you can edit hikes, and then it actually appears up on the screen. You can see you can upload files, you can do all kinds of wild and wonderful stuff. If you go over to the hike entry itself, you can see that you can actually go in and put in whether it's been approved, the type of hike it is, dates, titles, repeat sections, so on and so forth. So this is all built into the system. So Formidable Forms controls all this. So I will be showing you how to do a lot of this stuff in this course. And without further ado, I will leave you at that, and we shall see you in the next lesson.